motion that repeats itself at regular intervals of time. For example, a swing swinging to and fro about its rest position. The graphical representation of motion of the swing, that is, the height versus time, can be represented as shown in this figure. Often, the body under periodic motion would have an equilibrium position somewhere in its path, at which the net external force acting on it would be nil. The body is allowed to stay at rest in this position. This would remain there forever. This position is known as the mean position. Example, the swing at rest is in its mean position. If the body is displaced from this mean position, a force will come into play, trying to bring the body back to its mean position. This will give rise to an oscillatory motion. For example, the swing always comes to rest at its central position. Oscillatory motion is a type of periodic motion. Therefore, all oscillatory motions are periodic in nature, whereas all periodic motions need not be oscillatory. Simple harmonic motion is the simplest form of oscillatory motion. An oscillatory motion is said to be simple harmonic in nature when the force on the oscillating body is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position. The force on the oscillating body is always directed towards the mean position. The smallest interval of time after which the periodic motion repeats itself is called its period. It is denoted by capital T and measured in unit of time, that is in second. The frequency of periodic motion is the number of times the motion repeats itself per unit time. This is denoted by small f. It is obtained as a reciprocal of time period t. Thus, we can say that f is equal to 1 by t. The unit of frequency is hertz or 1 by second. We have already learned that the displacement of a particle is the change in its position vector. In an oscillatory motion, the displacement of the body is measured from its equilibrium position. For example, for an oscillating simple pendulum, the angle from the vertical as a function of time may be regarded as a displacement variable. Displacement of a periodic motion is represented by a mathematical function of time. In its simplest form, we can represent this as f of t is equal to a cos omega t, where the function omega t is the integral multiple of 2 pi. Since function f of t is periodic with period t, we can represent f of t as f of small t plus capital T. Therefore, the period t is given by t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Let us summarize what we have learned so far.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.